All right, team, so this wraps up day 2 of week 1 of this hypertrophy block. Now we're doing 3 sessions a week for 4 weeks. I might extend it to 8-week block because I'm looking to gain anywhere from 2 to 4 pounds of muscle in this block. So depending on, you know, circumstances or basically how I do this month, I'm gonna look and go back to the drawing board. But I won't know that until I do my reassessment after the 4 weeks is up. Also, I got a ton of things I gotta do, so I might not be able to record day 3 this week because I am leaving to go to NYC tonight. You know what I mean? I'm going to be there for the entire weekend. So that means I'm just going to have to find alternatives to working out as opposed to doing this specific program. So this is what happens when you travel. You don't have access to the same gym, same equipment, but you need to stick to the same program. So I'm going to find a way to kind of keep me moving while I'm away, right? It might not be the same session, but I will link or write down the full workout that I should be doing in the description below. Next up, I got a ton of projects I got to work on this season. So project 1 is getting another ebook out there. You know, I've got some requests from my female viewers because the majority of them did download my ebook, and you know, I gotta cater to the audience that, you know, is supporting the kid, you know what I'm saying? So the next program, I'm gonna happily name this program Xena. All right, unleashing the inner warrior in you. Not going to be like warrior princess because that's sort of, you know, this is the times that we live in. So it's basically unleashing the inner warrior in my female audience. So I'm going to happily name this program Xena. Going to seek to collaborate with a bunch of my female personal trainers or group fitness instructors in getting this program out there. So that's something that I'm going to look forward to filming. I already got the program written down, just got to, you know, beautify it up, put it in a beautiful, like, wrapped up PDF, and attach the videos to it and the written words and content so that it'll be easily digestible and easily to follow along. Next up, I'm going to work with another program, you know, trying to get my dudes all swole. So basically this block that we're working on is geared to, is for those who are looking to add some muscles to their body or to their physique. So it's going to be higher volume, and which means higher reps and higher sets. Weight wise, it's not going to be that heavy because we're looking to have that neuromuscular condition and adaptation so that, you know, we have that going into the strength block, so where we want to get stronger and put on more size. So this is just to get the muscle going, and then we're going to strengthen that muscle in the next block. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. I got a ton of packing to do, cleaning around the house, and also yeah, onboarding some online clients. So there's a ton to do, and I'm driving to New York tonight. So enough talking, let's get to work. All right, let's go.